latest truck past. Hello guys, welcome to another one. I'm out with Mr. Mickey and Razor Twisted. We're going to an house, what's known as the Golf House. Let's see you in there. 56 plate. Yes.
Golf house.
56 plates.
Cobwebs in there, man.
Old bangers over there.
Private land,
Get them.
2.8.
Figure it out. So pretty, yeah. Come and look up. Come and have a look after. Look at that piece. It's over inside, guys. Some old chairs straight off. What's this? Oh, look at this. Old clock that's been smashed. That's a shame. A few things might look. It's got something in it. Oh wow. Hey?
It's free will.
Free Willy. Yeah man. Huh? Oh God. Oh. I don't know which way to go.
Go for.
I'm a fake phone. Yeah, man.
Look at that old Deso with front tops, copper,
Jesus.
or brass.
I was just going to say I used to have that and it used to be a radio, and it is.
Look at these beams.
Oh, solid then.
Upstairs, it's not one, is it?
Jesus.
I think
Upstairs is downstairs.
upstairs, so look at all gone 5 o'clock.
Stairs is there, look.
We've got the weights in it there, look.
Oh yeah.
Shame that one.
Yeah, whole camera there, look.
Yeah, I think camera
Sat
there,
on
yes,
side.
where-
Design on that.
Who's still in the door?
Still got all its weights and everything.
You see this like little partition they put people at
Turned it off.
Yeah, look.
What's this there? When weighing hopper ropes must be slack.
Little beam on the outside.
So what? I wonder if this was something else.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking when I seen it then. Oh, it's reclaimed timber in it.
Yeah.
Reclaimed it from somewhere, hasn't it?
Possibly.
Because that
Look
would
at
be
that there.
nice. That's all cut. Yeah.
Still in its
Like
box.
Chris as well. Think all top up there.
Oh wow. Mad.
That's a best London manufacturer. That's pretty much that one. That's a proper old as well, isn't it, man?
That is old there.
Look at the LB up there as well. Oh, there, look,
It's
Bamford,
old,
Exeter, England.
It is old. Bamford, Youth Exeter, England. I wonder if that's what we're on there. guitar. Gives a tune. Just trying to see if there's golf. The golf house. I'm just coming to look at that. Mini pro. No staircase. Cool. Yeah. That's cool. Oh, chair. Got DVDs. Busted Up, The Cage, Spice Like Us, Lion King. Wow. Hey, what's that? Everything's piled on top of each other. Old lantern. Looks like an old propane one as well. And this old car again. More old cars. Oh, that's a horseshoe with its foot or a horse in it. Might have to go back that way around. That's a climb that way. Look at that bull. I'm actually on top of a settee here. A bull there. 37 and 20. So, oh, loads of stuff all over, isn't there? Toilets. Telephone Ted. Hello. Another old car. And we're definitely into the old cars. I'm going to put that one there with that one. Oh, these. That's small. Thing is. Wow. There was another old guitar there, all busted up. Microphone. Picture. Lots and lots in here. It must have been Christmas time again, look, when this one went on. Left, because nothing in there. All these dolls. Just sat here. Right. These things on here. That's a tent scope. The non-existent stairs. That was a good step up. That whole thing. All bits and bobs and storage in here. An old, what they call it, window. Over there. Behind us. Guitar. Another one. It's a bit dubious up here. Look at that. Old bed with springs. Teddy! Teddy in the corner. Look at that whole thing. Oh. Oh dear. There's a box of naughtiness in this one. Porsche and Ferrari. There's some naughty magazines. Look at that ship. That's cool. Neat look. And So this would have been the child's room. You've got the, you can see grandfather clock downstairs there. Cot, all toys. This floor is giving. And another bed, so they must have had two kids. What we got in here? Some sort of old trap. Some brass little bits, or handles. £41 weight. Can't really see the picture on that. And another old car. Who's that? Senna. Oh, not really high, I can see it. Is that Ayrton Senna? That? I think it is. Could be wrong. Christmas trimmings all over again. Madness. One more room to go downstairs. Go down now. Right. Back down. I don't think we've been in here. I mean, been from here. Free wheelie. Oh. You go, cameraman looking. Hey?
Top TV.
Top TV.
Top.
Hey man.
Jim.
Rosie and Jim. I've seen them on TV for a long time, have we? Old kettle.
Watching Mark down after school, but
What's that?
I don't know, looking at it a minute ago, it's a bit weird, isn't it? Plus you got to be like clipping onto something, innit?
Yeah.
Got a plunger inside it. What's it
Like
called
that.
bang now?
Some sort of burner or something.
Yeah.
Does anybody know what this is? If you do, drop us a comment and let us know, because we ain't got a clue. We think,
The diaphragm inside it there.
Hmm.
So that would plunge it up and down, so some sort of, I don't know.
So still none the wiser.
No.
So if anybody can help us, please do so.
Gonna do a little video upstairs for you photos, and then while it's done in here.
Just need to go in that way and same. Boiler's still there. Huh. Look like it been started to get prepared at some point though. Cool design on the tiles. Very like 90s, aren't they? Isn't it that? Did he touch? Look at that. Old hairdryer. There's an older. Back outside. Back outside. Have we got anything in the garage? A lot of junk. Not much in there. What are these old motors? Oh, what's that?
It's a big engine, isn't it?
Yeah. Massive. Look at this. If anybody knows what these are, let us know. I'm gonna get all this to that, call me.
Snap on air compressor.
Snap on air compressor. Jesus.
Just look how solid that wheel would be there, look, solid wheel.
Yeah, solid steel. There's some weird motors, but no idea what they're for. Look at this old beast. Oh. Went out, nabbed his ear. Locked. Gutted.
Yeah, that's what you can see from upstairs, isn't it?
Ooh. So guys, that was quite a good one. Quite a lot of stuff in there, some really old model cars, stuff like that, loads of kids' toys. A really good explore. That one's known as the Golf House. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to give us a leave us like, share and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next. Peace out.